As a recently sent-off digital currency based on Ethereum blockchain, yearnfinance is otherwise called yearn for collection of yield cultivating. Authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by Andre Cronje, yearnfinance is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Examine this view before we start with definite cost expectation. More well known as the token yearn, yearnfinance has a developing fan following with a goal to expand yearly rate yields and is likewise famous as APY for its renowned clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for a lofty decentralized project, yearnfinance tokens are used by clients as YUST, and AI while executing different exchanges like saving assets, and so on. With the assistance of tokens, clients can acquire loaning expenses as well as exchanging charges. Under the umbrella of yearn, a huge number of stablecoins gets support viz. DAI, USDC, USDT, TUST, and SUST, and they are additionally moved among various upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, Aave, DEX, and Curve, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Subsequently, we can include different exercises of yearnfinance, with the most conspicuous ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to expand loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital mechanized outlet for Aave, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with savvy contracts. The critical classes to pick above classifications are fragmented under Procure, Zap, APR, and Vaults. It can be underlined that yearnfinance as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through Curve finance and simultaneously enhancing pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by yearn is overseen proficiently and successfully. The DeFi token assumes a critical part here. Presently, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24-hour exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a flowing inventory of 36,638 Fi. Despite the fact that put in a profoundly unstable universe of crypto resources, ideal elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly crucial part in impacting ventures as well as yearnfinance cost expectation. The essential target of the DeFi group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously security. This multitude of elements comprise venture guidance by top merchants as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of yearnfinance approaches $21,555.80. In light of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost figure for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the all-out worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our yearn.finance cost expectation, there is potential for DeFi cost and show it might go on a higher opinion in the digital money market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a productive speculation. According to our drawn-out cost forecast, the coin could get somewhat impacted by bears, however we'll see the bull right around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the maximum cost of $25,867 and the most minimal cost of $22,299. The anticipated yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666, and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the main portion of 2023, the yearnfinance cost will move to $29,416. In the last part, the cost would close the year at $25,984. Established as of late in February 2020, yearnfinance has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital money market. The previous year demonstrated sensationally certain for yearnfinance notwithstanding the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the final part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with gigantic increase. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for yearnfinance as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length gauge is given beneath that portrays the DeFi arrangement of hazard as well as figure venture situation for crypto market examination in light of day-to-day outline and market news giving ascent and fall of yearnfinance DeFi token all-time exorbitant cost. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money like DeFi, there could be figures of wonders, there could be sorcery in the present moment as well. In light of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a misrepresentation that this valued digital money could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, its scaling above past all-time high. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high and the drawn-out costs, financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of DeFi would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of digital forms of money, however a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital currency characterizes its costs and not its legendary beginning. We should investigate the digital currency cost expectations by which brokers can go with a legitimate choice to purchase yearnfinance. DeFi Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, DeFi is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting bringing about a significant push to the cost taking it to cross all hindrances scaling $28,910.64. DeFi Price Prediction 2023. DeFi has laid out a quick dependable organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the DeFi with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. DeFi Price Prediction 2024. There are many expectations going ahead for the DeFi token. Particularly keeping in context, the mechanical declarations and progress the biological system has plans on, there are presumptions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up making the financial backers collect the additions. Albeit the digital currency markets are totally eccentric, it would maybe take a wonder for DeFi to expand its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. DeFi Price Prediction 2025. DeFi is additionally